In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find and remove shortcuts in Google Drive. This process can help you keep your drive organized and make sure you have quick access to the files you need without any unnecessary clutter. Let's dive right in. First, open Google Drive in your preferred web browser and navigate to the main page where you can see all your files and folders. Once you're there, direct your attention to the search bar at the top of the screen. To the right side of this bar, you'll notice a small icon resembling a gear or a settings wheel. This is the search options icon. Clicking on this icon will open a drop-down menu that provides different search filters to help you streamline your search process. Next, within this drop-down menu, look for an option labeled Shortcuts. By selecting this, you're narrowing down your search to focus on finding just the shortcuts within your Google Drive. This is particularly useful if your drive is densely populated with files and folders, as it takes away the need to sift through items individually. After you've selected shortcuts, it's time to specify what exactly you're looking for. Enter the name of the folder or item associated with the shortcut you wish to find. This helps Google Drive understand exactly which shortcuts you want to bring up. Once you've entered the details, press Enter on your keyboard to have the search results displayed. Google Drive will compile a list of all the shortcuts relevant to your search criteria, so you can easily spot the ones you need to remove. Now that the list is in front of you, identify the shortcut that you wish to delete. Right-click on the shortcut to bring up a context menu. This handy menu gives you various options for managing your files and folders. Here, you will find an option marked Remove. By selecting Remove, you initiate the process of moving that shortcut to the trash folder. Now, simply sending a shortcut to the trash doesn't permanently delete it, so if you want it gone for good, there's one more step. Head over to the trash folder and locate the shortcut you just removed. Right-click on this shortcut, and once again, a context menu will appear. Select Delete Forever, and just like that, the shortcut is permanently erased from your Google Drive, giving you a clean slate. Remember, maintaining an organized Google Drive not only helps you efficiently manage your files, but also improves your workflow by minimizing distractions. If you're managing lots of files regularly, it's a good idea to repeat this shortcut cleaning exercise periodically. This way, you'll ensure that your drive remains uncluttered and tailored to your ongoing projects. That wraps up today's tutorial. I hope you found these steps clear and easy to follow. Thank you for watching, and happy organizing!